All right, we got the WUKAKA heavy duty packing tape, industrial grade, wider, thicker, and stronger than your normal packing tape. This definitely gets the job done. I got the 24 pack, but it comes in all sorts of packs. It is 60 yards per roll. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna seal this box up. This is gonna be great for moving, if you're gonna be moving soon, or if you need to ship anything. So I'm gonna be shipping this. And so I got that. Let's just do it again actually let's seal it this way. Seal it this way this time. And this is heavy duty packing tape right here. You're gonna be good with this packing tape for sure. This is probably my favorite packing tape I've ever used. So this is just great. I'm gonna do this side as well, and then we're gonna be done. I'm good. So straight up, the best packing tape, and like this is the stuff right here. Highly recommend.